Hello guys and welcome to Dr. Crypto. Here I'm back with another episode of Bitcoin Daily Analysis. We're gonna jump into the chart, see what's happening. What is up everybody? I wish all of you enjoying your Sunday and everything is going good with you, having some great profits on your portfolios. So guys, let's waste no time, jump into the Bitcoin price. And guys, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, support me in this, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. So today what we see, let's go to the 4 hours chart and see what's going on. Actually, we had not so much of change in the price since last night, and we having some conflict in these areas, some fights going on between bulls and bears. And at the moment, price of the Bitcoin I see is being traded at 48,700,000 approximately. And I see again last night that we broke through this ascending channel again, and we actually didn't see yet a very sharp drop out of this ascending channel. And as we see here, this is the box I just put, the box of resistance and support that we had for the past months. You see here, I showed you yesterday that this box is extremely important that we put it here, because we have had some support in here. Look, one support here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 when we were actually coming down and when we were in the actual bull run. So it was very important area that we used to get support. And of course, I mean, basic trading knowledge, very classical, that's previous support turns usually to new resistance. And as we can see here, look, we just put this box right here, and well, after breaking out of this ascending channel, we touched exactly the dawn of this box. We got support and we went up again, but yet we did not make it back to this ascending channel, so we are still out of it. There is something that I want to point out here. Look, based on the trading perspective, if we actually break out of this ascending channel, usually depend where we break out. We broke out, for example, we broke down here first. Actually, we broke, let's say here, the first time that we broke, it was kind of fake breakdown, and the target was supposed to be the full target around 38,000 that everybody was looking at. But again, if you want to measure the target out of this breakdown, it would be approximately roughly around 39,000. But well, we are still very far from it, and we see that very great support from bulls, which pushing the price each time we breaking down, pushing the price up again. I want to point out something, which is actually when we are breaking out of some ascending channel, usually the breakdown or breakup comes with huge amount of volume if it's a true breakout, I would say. And here, as we see in the first breakdown, we didn't get so much of the volume, and in breaking down and just coming to, like, for example, a sharp breakdown at least to until some of this level, for example, let's say. And even in the second time, we got even smaller. So we had a breakdown, we broke out of this ascending channel again, but we didn't get so much of volume to, as you see the volume down here, so we didn't get so much of the volume to break down. Look, for example, just simple, I'm showing you here, we got some big volume, let's say, when we broke down by this candle, but after that there was not, the volume was declining. So we can again, maybe not sure, but we might call this also fake breakdown again. So well, today I was thinking that's such a big long time ascending channel, if it really wants to break down, it should get a lot of volume. I'm not saying that we should sharply break all the way down, all the way to this 38 to 40,000. I mean, that's something that's, I know that, you know, sometimes Bitcoin is like crashing $10,000 over some period of time. It's even like we saw it in the last crash. Right in here in this area, we got, so for example, we saw some 10,000 crash down in some minutes. But to be honest with you guys, those are kind of surprises that we usually get, and not necessarily after that kind of surprises we get them again. So here I was thinking today about, if we really wanted to have a breakdown and price correction, we had to get some volume and come down, I mean, faster than it happened. Look, now for example, we came all the way down here, okay, let's say 48,000 ish, and then we got the support, and we are, well, now we have again conflict in this area. And let's look at, for example, this very classical W pattern, which is actually taking form in 4 hours. So, you know, this kind of W, or let's say, I mean, inverse head and shoulder, they are very much bullish scenarios that usually happening. And if this inverse head and shoulder is there to play out, I mean, we normally should break into the channel again and actually continue the ride toward the upside. But we have to see, I mean, until we are still out of these ascending channels, we have to be cautious. I mean, well, I'm not gonna long. I don't know about you. If you're longing this, I mean, let me know, but I don't think that's a good idea. I mean, of course, I'm not here to give any financial advices, as I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm like probably only like you and having some knowledge about trading, and I'm just trying to share it with you. And I really looking forward to see some of your ideas in the comment down below. So please, if you just take some time, write me in the comment what you're doing. I would really love to see actually get some idea from you, because I'm also trading like you. So maybe if you point out something, then it will actually help me and others who are watching this from losing some money. So yeah, guys, if I want to be honest with you, telling a little bit about my trades, last night when I saw the breakdown here, I shorted the market, but we came down, and actually I put my stop loss. First, I shorted the market with my stop loss at 49.2, somewhere in this area, and it was a good short. It was going down. I was in profit, so immediately before I go to sleep, I put my stop loss in the break even. And in the morning, I saw, of course, when we had this spike up there, sorry, I shorted here actually, and we came out of it. So anyways, I saw this spike that happened during the night last night in the Central European time. And of course, my stop loss, I saw what happened. It went to ETH. So yeah, my stop limit worked, and actually I was kicked out of my trades with no lose, no gain. That's actually what traders should do. You should never risk it. And I mean, as soon as you are in the profit, I believe if you do not want to take the profit, at least you have to stay on the safe side, put your stop limit in a way that if it's break back up or down, so you will not go again on the lose. And as I mean, if as a smart trader, I would say that you have to just bring your stop limit more into the profit. So I mean, being greedy always the reason of losing some money. So yeah, guys, this is what, well, let me point out something else. This is actually something that I mean, this ribbon, look at this ribbon. I mean, this ribbon came to many people's attention, many traders' attention in this bull run, and it's actually working perfectly. If you look at this ribbon during the all bull cycle that we have seen, it was respected very well. Look, since we started the break up and we were on the bull run, we always stayed above this ribbon. And here we had, of course, some kind of price going sideways, and again, look, we were above it, we were above it, and each time we had some kind of correction, we got support right above this or a little bit inside this kind of this ribbon. So this ribbon came to attention of everybody, and as soon as we got to the bear market and we had some crash, this ribbon, I mean, this is sorry, I have to actually move it to the daily. It makes more sense as in this because it's more long term. So yeah, look at this, we were all the time above it, going up, 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 and in the support case we were just touching the, I mean, 20 close or maximum in the middle of it. And then as soon as it turned bearish, we started to come down in the price, and we never could get back above it until we started here. I mean, when we again came to the kind of bull market, and we again stayed above it. And look at it, how perfectly it was respected. Look at it. So we came up all the way, touching this upper trend line of the ascending channel, which was formed later, and then here we got support back, and then we went all the way again, coming back here, got support, and again here we went all the way up, and now we got a huge amount of support just at the first line of this ribbon. So all I want to say, guys, look, this is not something that everybody shows you. Please, if you are enjoying it, please make sure to subscribe to my channels, put the like for me, and support me in this channel so I can make better videos. I mean, we try always to share ideas together here. We are, I think, I'm sure most of us or none of us are financial advisor here, so we can at least give some friendly advices to each other, point out something that I see, I point it to you, something you see, you point it to me, so we can have some successful trades together. So guys, this ribbon was quite important. Let's go to the RSI, and because yesterday I actually mentioned that the RSI, which was perfectly actually working, and now let's see how's the daily RSI more. As you remember, if you watched my yesterday video, you can go and watch it right now, still there. If you look at it, I put triangle in the RSI right here, and look, now this RSI, what can it tell us? I mean, let me just put it just to make it clear to you. Look at this. I mean, this was the RSI that has been under my watch, and I think if you are trading, you should be watching this. I mean, you should be watching this. Look at this bearish divergence that was happening for a long time. We were getting just, I mean, we were in this channel, we were getting higher high. For example, look here, we were getting high, higher high, higher high, and another higher high. But here in the RSI, we were getting bearish divergences with the lower highs. So we were inside in this triangle, but finally we broke down of this triangle. You may say, bring this line a little bit down, doctor. I wouldn't say no, of course we can do it. Sorry, I have to just bring it a little bit down. If it's oh my god, now it's in these colors. Just, yeah, here we go. So if I put it even here, now look at it. I mean, we broke down, we came up and retested again, and so far we see nothing happen in the RSI. We didn't manage to break back into it again, so that's actually could be a warning sign that we are not still in a good position for continuing of the bull run. So please guys, I see that the price went up again here in the daily, and I mean, but look at it. If you're trading, especially in leverage trading, please do not be so much excited, I believe, and we still have time. Now we'll see the 4 hours candle, which actually started right now of recording this video, has to decide either we go up at this W, I mean inverse head and shoulder, which is usually quite bullish, and it's very much interesting to me. But you know, looking at this one and looking at the RSI in the daily doesn't give me, it's controversial, doesn't give me the confidence to go long, because we are in a very special location on the price, and we have to watch out. And other I mean, time frames also the same. We don't need to mention much in the other time frames. So we'll see. I mean, let me know, please help me, let us know that what's going on with your trades, how you're doing it, and uh, if you're longing, if you're short in the market, if you're waiting to see what's happened, please share with me, share with us, so we all enjoy this together. And guys, once again, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, if you like this, if you leave me comments with your ideas, I would really appreciate. Well, that was all for me. Maybe later I will be back for you with another altcoin video. Yesterday we did Solana. You can go and watch it, it's right there. And that was all for me for this BTC daily price analysis. And until next time, be blessed. Doctor out.